AliExpress sold this as a quantum energy healing pendant. There's just one problem. My radiation detector is screaming at nearly 10 times background radiation. This isn't healing anyone. It's radioactive. Search any online marketplace for negative ion jewelry, and you'll find thousands of these for under $10. The sellers make wild claims. They promise to detoxify your blood, boost energy, and shield your body from EMF radiation. But look closely at the hardware. There are no batteries, no circuit boards, and no power source. So how does a cheap piece of molded silicone constantly produce ions out of thin air? The answer is terrifyingly simple. To test it, we're using a scintillation detector. On the bare desk, background radiation sits at a normal 0.08 microsieverts per hour. When we place the pendant directly on the sensor, the count rate skyrockets, stabilizing at 0.86 microsieverts per hour. But because this device does gamma spectrometry, we don't have to guess what's inside. By analyzing the exact energy peaks of the incoming gamma rays, we get an elemental fingerprint. Look at the spectrum graph. These distinct peaks at 238, 583, and 911 kiloelectronvolts confirm exactly what we're looking at: Thorium-232 and its radioactive decay daughters. Why would a factory put radioactive thorium inside cheap jewelry? It's a shortcut to cheat a specific sales gimmick. Sellers promote these pendants using handheld negative ion meters. To make that meter register a high number, you have to physically ionize the air molecules around it, knocking electrons loose from oxygen and nitrogen. Real electronic ion generators require batteries, transformers, and high voltage. But there's a dirt-cheap alternative that emits ionizing energy nonstop for billions of years without power: monazite sand. Monazite is a rare earth mineral byproduct that contains natural thorium oxide. Manufacturers grind this mineral into fine dust, mix it straight into the silicone resin, and ship it out. So, is 0.86 microsieverts dangerous? Sitting a few feet away from it on a desk? No. An hour in an airplane exposes you to more cosmic radiation than this pendant emits across the room. The real danger is how this product is used. It is designed to be worn 24/7 against bare skin, directly over the chest and thyroid. That causes continuous, localized cellular exposure. Even worse is the contamination risk. These cheap pendants are poorly sealed. As the silicone degrades, microscopic thorium dust can flake off. If you inhale or swallow that radioactive dust, it becomes an internal alpha emitter inside your lungs or stomach, which is a severe, permanent biological hazard. This pendant is going into sealed storage, far away from any living space. The rule of thumb is simple. If an online wellness product claims to emit negative ions or quantum energy without plugging into an outlet, stay away. You aren't buying health benefits. You're buying radioactive mining dust. If you found this technical breakdown interesting, hit subscribe. Let me know in the comments what weird hardware I should test next.